Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0 in here. This one we have 4x to the power of 3 dx. Because we don't have number 4, so we divide both sides by number 4. So this one we change by u. S to the power of 3 dx we change by this one. So the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over u, and I will put about c. So this one we can simplify it, and we have negative number 1 over 4u. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.